the wonder, experience new life. A world full of color stretches the sky if we wake up our hearts and see it all. Experience a sight that's never been seen. Discover a feeling unlike anything. Oh, wake in the moment, here and now. Discover it all.
Anak, happy birthday. Bilis ng panahon, no? 7 years old ka na. Parang kailan lang na hinihintay ka namin na dumating sa buhay namin ng daddy mo. Ngayon, 7 years old ka na. Ang dami ng memories na treasure namin ng daddy mo. Kasama ka, hindi lang yung kami bilang mag-asawa, kundi tayo. Kasama ka, pamilya. Sobrang kumpleto kami ng daddy mo nung dumating ka.
Discover the new, open our eyes. This is where our dreams come alive. I see the light, I hear the call. Discover it all.
Happy birthday, Sam. I'm praying that you'll have a great future ahead of you.
Happy 7th birthday, Penelope Sam.
Discover.
Maligayang kaarawan. Ngayon, ulit man ang ating selebrasyon. Nandito kami ni mami mo na sumusuporta at kung ano man yung gusto mo, ibibigay namin para sa ito. At sana matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo habang lumalaki ka.
Lift up our hands and see it all. Just stop and listen and feel again. It's time to breathe, it's time to begin. Oh, and this is
And happy birthday, Ate Sam. I hope mag-enjoy ka ngayong celebration mo ng birthday. And I wish na mas lalo ka pang maging mabait at humble na bata. Again, happy birthday, Ate Sam.
discover the new, open our eyes. This is where our dreams come alive. I see the light, I hear the call. Discover it all. Discover.
Birthday, Sam. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Ate Sam.
Happy birthday, Sam. Happy birthday.
Discover it all.
Happy birthday. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you, anak.
Discover it all.